Hi, welcome to Immediate Affiliate and our review of SaleHoo. Today we're taking a look at how SaleHoo works for dropshipping and key program features that make the platform very popular among aspiring entrepreneurs who are interested in setting up a dropshipping business on a part-time basis, side hustle, or just an extra revenue stream, as well as seasoned full-time dropshippers who've been working their way around and have a lot of experience. It's for everyone. Stick around. Hi, just for purposes of context, a little bit about my background. It's a long, successful career in the commercial real estate brokerage space. So that field necessitates a lot of analysis, a very analytical approach, and I bring that same focus to this space, the online business, monetized social media, and e-commerce space. I'm an affiliate for some of the programs I mentioned within this video, and what this means is that if you purchase anything or sign up through any of my links, which I'd always appreciate, I may receive a commission at no additional cost to you. At the end of the video, very much appreciate a like and subscribe. We have links in the description and comment section below with tools, including SaleHoo, but also others to help your business and explore other ways to accelerate your business and fast track it. Thank you so much. I think there are a number of capabilities that SaleHoo offers, but if we're going to boil it down to the essence, for the purposes of our discussion today, it's really set up to help you build a successful dropshipping business. And that's in the way of offering sourcing capabilities and a very extensive directory of dropshipping suppliers. They've got education programs so that you have the ability to really get everything you need to know under your belt quickly. They have a lot of information there. It's in a linear structure, so that's great. And they've also got an e-commerce accelerator for fast tracking, which I'm always interested in things that are set up so you can get started going very quickly. We're going to take a look at also the pricing plans for each of these modules towards the end. But this is a general look, and I think that the first thing we need to do is just take a look at drop shipping as of this moment, 2024. So how does drop shipping work exactly with SaleHoo, or how does SaleHoo help drop shipping? So first of all, the drop shipping game is fairly straightforward. The first step is that you pick a product or a group of products and you team up with a dropship supplier. And just by the way, not all suppliers are necessarily up for drop shipping. That's the first. But SaleHoo's got a line on thousands of them that are. So once you make an agreement with a supplier, you can post and promote through platforms like Shopify, WordPress, Amazon, eBay, and any other e-commerce hub. And when a customer hits buy, they click on the link and they go ahead and commit to purchasing at your store. The rest is really taken care of. Supplier takes the reins at that point. They ship the product straight to your customer. And what you end up with is the profit between what you purchase at the point of the order and the what the customer has paid for it. So there's no need to physically stock or handle the product throughout the entire process. You have the system set up so that you're on the promotion end and you're on the placement end, and the billing and fulfillment is really set up. So the model offers a lot of flexibility and scalability, but it also presents some unique challenges, and that's where SaleHoo comes in. Okay, this is supposed to be upbeat, but I'm just going to be real and honest in that some stuff you already know. Not everyone succeeds with drop shipping, just like any other business. And I think that uh, the folks that are not necessarily performing as they would like, they're coming in with the idea that this is minimal in terms of effort. You're not stocking inventory, you're not investing, you don't have a lot at risk. You're just picking products and signing up with a couple of suppliers and creating a platform one time for buyers to find you. And then all of a sudden it just goes like gangbusters, hotcakes. You're just seeing all these profits come in. It is obviously more nuanced than this, and I think it everyone, in my opinion, should just take a really careful look at what it means to be in the business and aligning with the platforms, because if it is effort and you really want to be in the position to make a go of this and ultimately to make it more passive once everything is set up, but it has to be done correctly. For instance, a key component to the dropshipping business is market research and product selection. It really all starts from there and maybe ends there. You need to stay on top of the trends, identify profitable products, and understand your target audience. But with so much data out there, it can be really overwhelming as to where to even begin to start. And even when you do find a profitable product, there's still the issue of competition. How do you stand out from the crowd and make your offerings and make the experience the customer has easy, unique? How do you differentiate yourself? So, in terms of selecting a product and profiling your target audience and all the other things that go in, all the variables that go into product selection, SaleHoo provides a lot of different market research tools. These tools can be used to discover lucrative, potentially untapped products, monitor trends, and stay competitive. Allows you to gain access to sales data, product reviews, and insightful information that's going to be very helpful and support a lot of your business decisions early on. So that's one thing that they offer. So after you've figured out the product and figured out that the profit margins are there and you profiled it, you know your customer, the next thing you do is connect with a reputable, proven entity as a supplier that can provide the high quality products at competitive pricing with fast shipping and reliable customer service. In this process, you yourself can spend many hours scouring the internet, attending trade shows, reaching out to potential suppliers without even having the opportunity to really qualify them, only to find out that they're not a good fit for your business. Maybe they don't want to be part of the drop shipping model, or maybe they don't want to be part of the drop shipping model with you for whatever reason. So there's all kinds of variables there. And even when you do find a good supplier, there's still the issue of managing inventory, tracking orders, and handling customer service. That is part of this. So when it comes to connecting with suppliers, this is where SaleHoo offers a lot. And it started out just with a focus on Supplier Directory and connecting people. So at the heart of SaleHoo is the Supplier Directory. It features over 8,000 verified suppliers from all over the world. But the important things that these suppliers have been vetted and verified so that you have the ability to trust that they're reliable and proceed in that way. You can search for suppliers by product, category, or location, making it really easy to find the best supplier for your business. Beyond the product selection and the supplier database, SaleHoo offers a lot of community support, lots and lots of educational content. It's crazy just looking through to see what they've got. They've also got an e-commerce accelerator program that really enables you to get up and running quickly, which I find is appealing. And that the costs involved in these are, in my opinion, modest for the value you're receiving. We'll go over those in a second. So we haven't really taken a deep look at the educational content. We'll do that on a separate video. I believe there's a lot to cover here, and the program has a lot to offer. But I did include pricing here, and the same applies to the e-commerce accelerator program. So the accelerator is one time $250. And that's designed to fast track, get you up and running as quickly as possible in a dropship business. The education is a one-time $21 fee, and they have a lot of applicable, right to the point information that'll help you get started quickly as well. The two things that we did talk about today were the directory, that's $30.49 on an annual basis, or $58.24 a lifetime. And then the dropship tool, that's $12 for the basic or $44 for premium. And again, we'll explore each of these modules, I think, separately as we go here, because I think they have a different emphasis. But these are costs summarized so you can get an idea of that. I'm including links on everything, guys, in the comments, and then also in the description of this video, so you can check everything out. There's no obligation, but if you want to kind of search around, there's a lot when you just click on the link. Guys, thanks for watching our review of SaleHoo. I really appreciate it. Would love to hear your thoughts on SaleHoo. If any of you have had extensive drop shipping experience, what's your opinion? Or if you're very brand new, you've checked out a few things and it's caught your attention, let me know. I'd love to hear your opinions. And also, I would love it if you're new here, consider subscribing. We're going to get into a lot more content in the next 90 days. There's going to be a lot, not just on SaleHoo, but I've got modules ready on that. And if you want to learn more about making money online, monetizing social media, developing a business online, e-commerce, I hope you consider coming back. We'll explore it together. Thank you so much.